Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm learning languages using Notion. Here I have 4 languages. I'm trying to learn it right now. I know German. I have learned it at school, university, and tried at Goethe Institute, but it has been a long time since I have some kind of relation with German language, so I'm trying to remember it. And here as well I have Spanish, French and Portuguese. So let's see what I have on Spanish section. I have 4 sections here: grammar notes, words, verbs and Spanish phrases. So if I click verbs, you see that I have verbs by alphabetical order. And I saw it at one of the websites, and I liked it and I thought that I can do the same way here. And if we come to S, you see that there are a lot of verbs I've learned during the course I'm taking. And if we click salir, we see that I have the whole conjugation here copied from the website. Let's go back to this section and click grammar notes. I have different kind of articles here. For example, for porqués, and I thought there are only 2 porqués, but later I found out there are 4 porqués. And porqué? There are 4 porqués, I don't understand it. But here I have explanation, and I kind of made in toggle list and made it a little bit more pretty, I think. And I have other things about Spanish grammar, and this one, Mango Grammar, is from the site I'm learning Spanish or any other languages. I'm going to show it a bit later. It is really good site, but we're going to talk about it later. And words, I haven't sorted it out. I don't have a lot of words here yet. For instance, I know these 4 words, but I'm going to lie if I say that I know all the words here on animal section or on body parts. And last one, the important one. Let's click Spanish phrases, and I have by their topics. So if you click on pets, you see that there is everything colored. And why it's colored? Because this site has the same method and it teaches you better. So, for example, ¿de quién es este pájaro? Whose bird is this? ¿De quién? It's blue, and whose also is blue. So, ¿de quién means whose. Es is, but it's not in English language after this question, because Spanish language has a different structure. Spanish grammar has a different structure. Este is at the end of the sentence. It's pink, and pájaro, bird, is green. So it shows you, if you forget, for example, how Spanish sentences are structured, this coloring thing shows you what means what and where it stands in the sentence. If we go to French section, I have the same things here, but not as much as in Spanish. And absolutely in every language is the same thing. So let's go to the site I am talking about, Mangolanguages. I love this site because it is based on conversations, and they are teaching you the phrases that are quite important. Now, this site isn't free. It was during this pandemic time. I think they made it free for 2 months, but it's not really expensive as well. So you can try one language for $8, I think, in a month, if I'm right. And for example, we click here. It also tells you the English sentence as well as French sentence. And it's colored, as you can see, and I have the same coloring in Notion. This website is quite helpful because, again, it teaches you phrases that you're gonna use. So try this site. If we copy this like that, in Notion, it will copy like this. And what I do is I just copy first sentence, then second sentence, and then color them the way I want, not exactly the same way they have. So it is really helpful. Let's go back. They have plenty of languages. If we scroll this, look, absolutely every language you can imagine, they have all here. So try this website and also also use Notion because you also can access Notion on your mobile phone, and when you forget something, you quickly go through your notes. Thank you for watching and see you soon.